Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking food Instagram post for your food business. So if you would like to create your food post yourself, you can do it in Canva. Canva is a really great site for beginners. If you have no experience with design or creativity, Canva allows you to modify pre-made templates created by professionals. So you can simply modify whatever you like and download it. First, create your account in Canva, and after that, go to the search bar, type Food Instagram Post, and you can see the Canva templates available for food. Go to the See All option to explore all the posts. You can now see the pre-made templates that you can modify and make your own. Simply scroll through them and choose whichever template meets your expectations. So I will probably go with this one, and this one is free. Some are paid, while others are free. I will click on it and customize this template. You can simply explore the options and customize whichever template you like. Now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want. If I want to change or add my own website, I can double-click on it, and I'll simply rename it or add my own text. If you want to customize your text, just click on it, and you will see the available options. This one is for the font. This one is for changing the color of your text, as well as making it bold or italic. You can try them out. That covers the text options. Now, if you want to change the image or the background, you can do that as well. Right now, this image is attached as the background. So what I will do is change the background color. I will select this one, like this. Now I will add my own image. You can upload your images from your computer by selecting Upload Files and choosing the file from your computer. After that, your image will appear. You just need to click on it, and your image will appear. Alternatively, you can drag it onto the design and set it as the background. Just click on it. You can add your own image and set it as the background. And if you want to add any elements or food images from the Canva library, you can do that as well. Simply go to the Elements section, type in your search, and go to Photos. You will see various images. If you want to add one, you can tweak and modify it however you like. This is how you can edit, modify, and customize the design however you like. You can add your own information, details, images, branding colors, and more. When you are ready to export, rename your file, go to Share, then Download, and choose the format you need. Just download it, and your food Instagram post will be ready to upload. Thank you for watching.